Hello friends, welcome to our Photoshop tips and tricks. First, close layer option. Then select Object Selection tool. Then select the objects and click Automatic Select. Then click Layer option. And Adjustment to Gradient to click. Click on Gradient Color. Then Collapse Greens. Then select the gradient color. Then click on OK button. Then Upside Normal to change on, Color to click. Then select First Layer and unhide. Then right-click to Rasterize Type to click. Then right-click to Blending option to click. Then downside underlying layer right side point to drag on left side. Hold Alt plus drag. Then click on OK button. Then select Move tool. And close layer option. Then move to check. Then zoom and check the text. Thank you for watching videos.